Welcome back to Pro VM, where we bring in some amateurs that challenge me to a game of bowling. If you don't know what that is, you're about to find out. Anyways, today we have a doubles match. We have our mod squad from Twitch, Discord. They've been in the community for a very, very long time. If you guys want to join the Discord and maybe become a mod like them one day, link is in the description below. But anyways, we're gonna bring on Savage and Ego. Woo! Woo! And if you guys don't know how Pro VM works, if they do beat me and my partner, they are going to win a bowling ball of their choice from Storm Rotor Grip or 900 Global. And if we beat them, then they're gonna lose their mod privileges. Oh. Anyways, let me introduce my partner. This is I'm So Good. Today we're so good. Jenna!
Hello.
And we both 300 on one of our videos, so if you guys want to check that one out, link is in somewhere. Maybe down below, up there, up there. Tell them to support you by buying the shirt, and let's go beat the living hell out of these guys. All right, Mod Squad's gonna go first. Good luck. Good bowling.
Good luck.
And I can't wait to take away your mod privileges later.
You just said to tell them all those words, but then you just said it and we walked away.
Let's go back.
No.
Tell them. Buy the shirt.
No. You already said it. Why am I gonna say the same thing?
Buy I'm So Good. DynastyBowl.com. Go get it now. I'm gonna bowl one-handed. I don't really want to because I struck almost every shot two-handed. Do you want to go first?
I don't want to finish last.
We'll start off with a mixer. Slapping it out already. I'm slapping it out already.
The plan should be to put the person who's gonna strike first.
But I'm not gonna spare. Do you think I'm gonna spare? You should go second.
Okay. To the hook. Big wheel.
Oh!
What I'm talking about. Tell them.
I'm so good.
Yeah.
Buy my shirt.
Buy the shirt. This is not the right shirt, but buy the shirt.
Damn.
So much pressure.
Hey, you said there was no pressure.
Well, you guys all struck. I didn't think you were all going to strike.
Yeah.
So we are going to invoke the endless 10th frame if we qualify. We have to strike in the fill shot because why not?
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness. I have even more pressure because my partner doesn't want to shoot my spares.
Exactly why you're like, do you want to go first or second?
Can Ego get another one though?
Oh my god.
Close enough. Let us know who you think the first one to miss is going to be. If they win, this might be a bannable offense.
Ready. Oh boy.
Wheel.
Oh,
That's
that
a
was
hard spare.
bad.
I got this.
Good thing I don't like that spare.
Yeah. I'm going to hook it. Make it exciting. Curve.
Oh.
Just so good.
Covered it.
So good. No! Oh, I know a better deal. If you guys lose, you gotta buy her shirt.
Okay. Hey, I'm down for that.
Yeah,
That's easy.
Yeah, you gotta do it on the video, just so we proof. I trust you guys, but the people watching might not trust you.
Oh yeah, I get it.
Look at your spares!
Look at your spares, kids.
Woo! Wheel.
Easy.
We're bowling on the actual house shot they use here, I think. Not the normal stuff we bowl on the video pairs. If you haven't noticed, we're on a different pair. Yes. Yes.
10 back. 10 back.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, take that. Who's next?
Oh, it's
Right.
me now.
Back up to you. As you can tell, we've been alternating shots. We're bowling scotch.
That looked better.
Oh, it's close. I told you it was coming. It's coming.
That was not better.
You gonna hook this one too?
I'm gonna hook this one too.
You don't want to throw your purple slammer?
Because that would be a disgrace to the video. We're all throwing storm stuff, so I gotta throw SPI, right?
I respect it. Now watch him hook by the spare. Oh!
Oh boy. Oh, there it goes.
That is premium
This
shit
is
talk.
where you take the lead.
This is why you run your mouth. Karma's gonna pay me back.
I was gonna say, Darren's good for a miss right here.
I'm gonna 7-10 at some point.
Nutty with it.
Karma's not paying me back yet. That went a little longer than I was hoping. All right, Savage, you gonna let Ego throw a strike shot or what?
Maybe. I probably should after that.
I've got the premium smack talking going right now.
Oh,
There it is.
there it is.
Damn. That was nice.
Savage, who drills your bowling balls?
The one and only Mikey Tang.
Mike the Tang at TV
Shout
Bowling
out.
Supply.
TV Bowling Supply.
Shout out. How much do you get off?
A lot.
He gets
A lot.
He gets a minimum of 10% off at TV Bowling Supply because he's subscribed to me on Twitch. You should have wore a Santa hat.
I thought about it too. Ooh.
Thank
All right, good
goodness
shot.
it's you and not me.
Good shot, good shot. Have some confidence. You're wearing the shirt.
I threw that with confidence and then
That's
strike.
superpowers.
Oh.
I am a professional. You know what the worst part about that was? I stood up there and I went Players Championship, where I bricked the 10 pin.
All right, let's run them out.
Run one out. Okay. Oh,
It's a big
spin
double right
biscuits.
here.
Watch he struck.
Is that the ball of the year?
That is the attention star.
Lego my Ego. Ego my Lego?
There go my
There go my
Ego
Lego.
You should be the poster child for the ball. Ooh, never mind. God.
Yikes.
Is it road time? It might be road time.
I'll just try it. As long as it's you picking up the 10 pin.
If Savage Big 4's on the next one, we'll be okay.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh.
The field's not all there yet, but it's coming back.
So kind of like riding a
Coming
bike.
back. It's kind of like riding a bike. Except for the first attempt would be like me getting on the bike and immediately falling down before I even start moving. The second attempt, I got the wheels moving, and then I hit something and then fell down again. And then the third time, I stayed on the bike. All right, we got a 2-pin match. They got a double, so they have the ability to go ahead by 12. You don't want to do that to Jan, do you? You guys need some new shirts.
Ooh.
We get the endless 10 frame, I'm not sure. Road time. Nice shot. The Ball brothers have taken a commanding lead. Wheel,
Oh, that's
hard.
way out there.
Ooh, 6 again. The only time it matters is the fill shot. We just
Fair enough.
unlimited strike. Unlimited strikes in the fill. It'll be okay. That's when she's going to strike the most.
For sure. Yes.
You guys didn't hear that?
What?
I gave a little
Oh.
off my hand. Hey, if you guys win, what bowling balls do you want to get?
I already got the ball of the year.
We're only halfway through the year. There might be a better ball.
That could be.
That looks perfect.
Get there.
Oh! Right there, baby! Oh, yeah.
No.
Do it.
This
Spare.
game went by fast.
Get there.
Ooh, the curtain was bent for you and everything. Hey, good count, good count. Blame your partner on that one.
That was oh man.
That's all right.
I don't know where to throw. I keep throwing it too much to the right when I'm not looking there.
Just move your feet a little bit right.
Well, I did.
I'm very white.
Maybe? See it?
Yep.
Never
Yes! So
Thank
good.
you. Thank you.
So-
I'm done.
You're not done.
I thought you were doing the whole 10 frame.
No, we still have to alternate shots.
Need one. One time.
One time. 3 solid shots. That's all we need.
Ego, if there's a shot to miss, this is the one. The fill shot's the important one. Snarf, snarf, snarf.
Oh,
A little
buddy.
extra loft.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, but Savage, big pressure. You gotta get this one. Should
Yeah.
we do our extra shots on the left lane?
The walk.
All right, Ego, this one's even more important.
okay.
Thank you.
They're in the clubhouse at 220, so it's not bad. It still forces us to get a double. I really don't want to give you guys a ball.
I'll make it easy on you.
More so, I just don't want to lose.
Push.
Maybe?
Push. Push. Push.
Wow. That was a nice one.
All right, they have now induced the endless 10th frame. So for every strike they throw from now on, they get an extra 10 pins. If they knock down anything less than 10, it doesn't matter. It doesn't count. So yeah, if they get the next one, 232, then 242, then 252. But if they get none, then their score stays at 222. Good
I
luck,
don't get
gentlemen.
it.
It's left.
It doesn't matter.
Damn.
That's left
Sit.
as
Sit.
well.
Sit. 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 Ah.
Okay, 232 is the final score, so we need to punch out in the 10th. That gives us 230, and then 1 strike in the endless 10th frame. That's left.
Oh my gosh.
There's that karma comeback that you were talking about.
Karma's gonna pay me back. I'm probably gonna.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Blame the lane guy.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
It's not fair. Bowling's not fair. Dumb game. Dumb game. It was a little bit left. Savage got his left. All right, we don't have to throw the extra shot. Perfect. Good plan.
Good plan, I missed.
Yeah, so we don't have to keep bowling. Congratulations, they have won the bowling balls. I lost 2 for the price of 1, but a deal's a deal. Thank you also for your service on social media, because we know that can be a very toxic and violent place. So thank you for keeping everything in order. You guys know what you want?
I think an Optimum.
Optimum Idol.
I'll do one as well.
Okay, same.
Optimum
Price
Idol.
of 1. Good thing, good thing. Thanks for being on the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch that short, because smiles get views.